Guys, this is Times Square. Oh my god. It's cold, Mama. Am I awake? I'm coming. This is Times Square. Ah. So cold. My way, you're going to put up with the channel, guys. And so, my way, guys, go to Nora Mana. To New York. Let's go, mommy.
Where is she?
I don't know where they are.
Avarapa.
Oh my god, please can you hold my phone? Aren't you wearing gloves? Guys, let's go. Story. I want to go and see. Let's go. Oh my god. Guys, it's cold. In the Times Square in New York. Street here say Ingoringwe Market. Kwandiri ka antiti mukuna maroads ari kuno kuma one way saka vari kungotenderera.
All right.
Makupinda. All right. But these guys, guys, it's freezing. Guys, ndikutsvaga madistributors Madam Boss beauty products. Otsvaga one not distributor kuno kuAmerica. Oh my god. Amana ndikutonora Amana. Ewe. Zvinhu zvangu zvaita kuoma. Guys, look, this is so amazing. Look at that.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh, this is
Oh my god. Hey. Nanzgonichan. Woo. But I'm wearing warm clothes, but still can do something. I just need to put my gloves here. So in the country. I said I'm looking for distributors, so Madam Boss Extreme Red. Ooh. I think later we need to take pictures. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.